And now at 7, the state of Florida reporting nearly 9,000 new cases of COVID-19. The White House task force says the Sunshine State is among its greatest concerns. Governor Ron DeSantis addressed the dramatic rise in cases, but says overall nothing has changed in the past week, pointing to what he calls mass testing.
We'll have more on that in just a moment. But first, the latest numbers. Florida has now shattered its own single-day record of new cases, adding nearly 9,000 in just 24 hours. To put that into perspective, cases in Florida are up more than 140% since the state began reopening in May. 137 people have died since yesterday in Florida, and that is also a one-day pandemic high. Miami-Dade and Broward also set one-day records with an additional 1,532 cases in Miami-Dade and 736 cases in Broward. Monroe County reports 14 new cases.
Well, tonight, local mayors are stepping up efforts to try and get the outbreak back under control.
CBS 4's Mike Cunio is in the newsroom with those details. Mike.
Well, Florida is getting national attention now for its increase in positive cases. Dade County far and away responsible for the highest totals in the state. One mayor fearing a possible shutdown could happen again if the healthcare system is overrun with patients.
The community transmission is being driven by that 18 to 35-year-old group.
The median age for positive COVID-19 tests is now 42 in the state of Florida, down from the 60s in March. Positivity rates, specifically in Miami-Dade, inch closer to 20% with the latest numbers. Earlier in the week, it was as high as 26%. Friday, after a significant dip, it's back up to 19.
I want to really make it clear, no one is intentionally spreading the virus.
Dr. Deborah Birx, who is part of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, highlighted recent rises in cases in South Florida during today's national briefing and called for responsible personal behavior. She points out the Tri-County area of Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach as being hot spots, with Dade County leading the way in new cases.
All the other counties are much lower in their daily case increases. This allows us to focus resources and testing along with the state into these specific sites.
Dade County has identified local hotspots, and while Governor Ron DeSantis won't implement a mask mandate that comes with penalties, both City of Miami Mayor Francis Suarez and County Mayor Carlos Jimenez are cracking down. A day after ordering an escalating fine system for residents not wearing masks, Mayor Suarez was in one of the hot spots, Little Havana, handing out PPEs. He says another stay-at-home order could be triggered if the healthcare system reaches capacity.
All options have to be on the table. When we see our hospitalizations go up, our ICU beds go up, our ventilators are going up. Still with sufficient capacity, but going up, it's worrisome.
Meanwhile, Mayor Jimenez has cracked down on businesses this past week, shutting down violators who do not follow the new normal protocols.
We're going to be enforcing, and we're going to be tough, and our police and our inspectors are going to go out. And if you're not abiding by the rules, you will be fined. And if you really don't abide by the rules, something else can happen to you.
We reached out to Broward County Mayor Dale Holness to ask for the hotspot neighborhoods in his county, but we have not received a response. Mike Cunio, CBS 4 News.
Mike, thank you. Governor DeSantis says that while the state works to educate the public about the effectiveness of wearing a mask, he says a broad mandate and criminal penalties are unnecessary and could backfire.
The idea that you're just going to mandate and selectively prosecute people, I don't think that that's necessarily going to work. I do think what'll work is, consistent messaging, letting people know what they can do to help protect themselves and to protect others. And then you obviously can have local folks, if they want to do different ordinances. Quite frankly, there's parts of Florida where it just wouldn't make sense.